Okay, here's a quick video to show how to solve with the inverse real quick. Let's say you're given a right triangle like this one right here. Here's the reference angle theta. What is the ratio that we know we're given? This is 4 and this is 3. Well, this is the opposite side and that's the adjacent side. What ratio do we know that relates opposite and adjacent? Well, it's tangent. So we can say the tangent of theta equals 4 over 3. Now you have to use the inverse button in your calculator or the second shift button. So what undoes the function tangent? You would take the tan inverse of both sides. This is how it actually looks. Take the inverse tangent of both sides. Okay, the tangent wipes out the inverse and just leaves me with the measure of the angle, which is what I want. And then I have to use a calculator here. And I've got an on-screen calculator ready to go. Where is it? It's on this video right here. So the inverse tangent of 4 divided by 3, don't have to close the parentheses in this calculator, just equal, it gives me 53 degrees. That's exactly right. So theta in this case would be 53 degrees. Let's do the same thing over here on this triangle, except, wait a second. Hello, red pen. Wait a second, I've got a theta and I've got all 3 sides measured. I've got 17, the hypotenuse, and the legs 8 and 15. You can choose whichever function you want. Let's say in this one I wanted to choose, I don't know, let's say cosine of theta. Well, what's the cosine of theta? Isn't that adjacent over hypotenuse? So that'd be 8 divided by 17. And then we're going to do inverse cosine on the entire thing. I'll just write it like this, inverse cosine. That's going to wipe out that cosine. And then I have to do the inverse in my calculator of 8 over 17. Let's go back to our on-screen calculator. The inverse cosine of, there's inverse cosine. Don't worry about the arc cosine thing right here. That just means inverse cosine in high mathematical language. So it's inverse cosine of 8 divided by 17 and 61.9 degrees, or let's just say it's 62 degrees, just to round it. So in this case, theta would be 62 degrees. All right, that's it for this screencast video. How did we enjoy this?